Did you watch the movie last night?
Yes, I watched it.
Did she visit her grandmother yesterday?
Yes, she visited her grandmother.
Did they finish their homework on time?
Yes, they finished it on time.
Did he call you yesterday?
Yes, he called me.
Did you eat breakfast this morning?
Yes, I ate breakfast.
Did you enjoy the party last night?
Yes, I enjoyed it.
Did she read the book you gave her?
Yes, she read it.
Did you play soccer last weekend?
Yes, I played soccer.
Did they go to the beach last summer?
Yes, they went to the beach.
Did you see the new exhibit at the museum?
Yes, I saw it.
Did he arrive on time for the meeting?
Yes, he arrived on time.
Did you bake a cake for the party?
Yes, I baked a cake.
Did she send the email yesterday?
Yes, she sent it.
Did they travel to Europe last year?
Yes, they traveled to Europe.
Did you take the bus to work today?
Yes, I took the bus.
Did he buy a new car last month?
Yes, he bought a new car.
Did you go to bed early last night?
I went to bed early.
Did she wear the red dress to the party?
Yes, she wore the red dress.
Did you drink coffee this morning?
Yes, I drank coffee.
Did they watch the fireworks on New Year's Eve?
Yes, they watched the fireworks.
Did you call your friend yesterday?
Yes, I called my friend.
Did he play the guitar at the concert?
Yes, he played the guitar.
Did you visit the new restaurant last weekend?
Yes, I visited the new restaurant.
Did she study for the exam last night?
Yes, she studied for the exam.
Did they move to a new house last year?
Yes, they moved to a new house.
Did you help your neighbor with their garden?
Yes, I helped them.
Did he paint the fence last week?
Yes, he painted the fence.
Did you go for a run this morning?
Yes, I went for a run.
Did she make a reservation at the restaurant?
Yes, she made a reservation.
Did they catch the train on time?
Yes, they caught the train.
Did you listen to the new album?
Yes, I listened to it.
Did he fix the broken chair?
Yes, he fixed it.
Did you visit the zoo last month?
Yes, I visited the zoo.
Did she write a letter to her friend?
Yes, she wrote a letter.
Did they have a picnic in the park?
Yes, they had a picnic.
Did you clean your room yesterday?
Yes, I cleaned my room.
Did he drive to the city for work?
Yes, he drove to the city.
Did you watch the football game last night?
Yes, I watched the game.
Did she cook dinner for her family?
Yes, she cooked dinner.
Did they attend the wedding last weekend?
Yes, they attended the weddings.
Did you read the newspaper this morning?
Yes, I read it.
Did he walk the dog in the park?
Yes, he walked the dog.
Did you finish the project on time?
Yes, I finished it.
Did she call her parents last night?
Yes, she called them.
Did they enjoy their vacation?
Yes, they enjoyed it.
Did you watch the documentary on TV?
Yes, I watched it.
Did he take a day off from work?
Yes, he took a day off.
Did you paint the living room?
Yes, I painted it.
Did she attend the conference last week?
Yes, she attended it.
Did they go hiking last weekend?
Yes, they went hiking.
Did you buy groceries yesterday?
Yes, I bought groceries.
Did he visit his brother in the hospital?
Yes, he visited his brother.
Did you complete the assignment?
Yes, I completed it.
Did she watch the sunset?
Yes, she watched it.
Did they have lunch together?
Yes, they had lunch together.
Did you clean the kitchen?
Yes, I cleaned it.
Did he join the gym last month?
Yes, he joined the gym.
Did you go to the concert last night?
Yes, I went to the concert.
Did she take the medicine?
Yes, she took it.
Did they visit the amusement park?
Yes, they visited the amusement park.
Did you repair your bike?
Yes, I repaired it.
Did he wash the car yesterday?
Yes, he washed it.
Did you eat out last night?
Yes, I ate out.
Did she book the tickets?
Yes, she booked them.
Did they celebrate their anniversary?
Yes, they celebrated it.
Did you water the plants this morning?
Yes, I watered them.
Did he meet his friends at the cafe?
Yes, he met his friends.
Did you update your resume?
Yes, I updated it.
Did she apply for the job?
Yes, she applied for it.
Did they go skiing last winter?
Yes, they went skiing.
Did you attend the workshop?
Yes, I attended the workshop.
Did he send the package?
Yes, he sent it.
Did you pay the bills yesterday?
Yes, I paid the bill.
Did she plan the trip?
Yes, she planned it.
Did they renovate their house?
Yes, they renovated it.
Did you call customer service?
I called them.
Did he exercise this morning?
Yes, he exercised.
Did you send the invitation?
Yes, I sent it.
Did she complete the survey?
Yes, she completed it.
Did they bake cookies?
Yes, they baked cookies.
Did you buy a new laptop?
Yes, I bought a new laptop.
Did he attend the game last night?
Yes, he attended the game.
Did you clean the garage?
Yes, I cleaned it.